When it comes to celebrating festivals in India, the differences of caste and faith gets diluted and people come together to create a strong bond of humanity. The same can be witnessed amidst the celebrations of Ganesh Chaturthi when people cutting across religious lines are showcasing their indulgence in the festivities. One among them is a Sikh restaurator from Ludhiana city in Punjab whose chocolate Ganesha is winning hearts.
For a fifth year in a row, a Sikh restaurateur and chocolatier in Ludhiana has prepared an edible Ganpati idol with pure dark Belgian chocolate to celebrate the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi. Though a Hindu festival and not so popular in Punjab, Harjinder Singh Kukreja has been displaying this work of art for the last 4 years to give a message of communal harmony and eco-friendly festivities. This year, 40 kgs of chocolate Ganesha was prepared in Kukreja's restaurant by 10 chefs in 10 days.
We do it to promote the message of eco-friendly Ganeshas. It's very important that we don't pollute our water bodies and yet we celebrate our festivals. Because of coronavirus, we have reduced the size of our celebrations. Last year we made 80 kgs of chocolate Ganesha, this year we made 40 kgs. But we wanted to make sure that we continue the celebration and not stop by the coronavirus amid the pandemic. So I think it's important that we find a middle path and not end our celebrations and everything. Yeah, the whole idea is to celebrate the festival in a way that it benefits the environment.
This chocolate Ganesha is not just created for vanity, but has a noble cause to serve. It will be immersed in milk, and that chocolate milk will be further distributed among the underprivileged children. Though every year Kukreja himself distributes the milk, but this year, due to the pandemic, he took help of NGOs for the same.
We do Visarjan in milk and we distribute the chocolate milk to poor children. And we do it personally, we go ourselves and do it. But this year, because of coronavirus, we are tying up with some organizations which were serving poor people during the lockdown. So what we will do is, we will take the chocolate milk and we'll give it to those organizations who served people during the lockdown, and they will do it on behalf of us.
Needless to say, people across the country were gobsmacked by the initiative of a Sikh restaurateur, as it not only promotes environment conservation but also carries a beautiful message of unity enveloped in creativity.